We are in Gosport Premier Marina, right here on Spellbound of Narnia, a 9-meter westerly belonging to Monica and Marcin. We are sailing today to a marina on the river Humble. On deck, everything is ready. Down below it looks a bit chaotic, but at least it's organized chaos. The logbook is prepared for a start of the journey, and the chart plotter is connected. There's lots showing us on the AIS, but it's a big port, so not really that busy. The radio is of course on and set to the main communication channel number 16. Different channels have their different uses for different kinds of vessels, general chart, marinas and ports, as we will find out later. With the engine running, it's time to prepare the lines to lead the slip. Monica is removing the lines that are not under load, and she's clearing away any that might be a trip hazard on deck.
Jest.
Next, she sets the lines so that they can slip,
Boże, jaka ona biedna.
and everyone can be safely on board when Spellbound starts to move away. Finally, it's time to...
Clear!
This is information for the skipper that the lines are on deck and won't get tangled around the propeller.
Yeah?
Why are you on deck without a life jacket?
Oh, bloody hell. Forgot.
Even in calm waters, English sailors wear life jackets,
This one. Thank you so much.
just as they put on a seatbelt in the car.
Okay, before we get there, he's going to go.
No, I mean, we're not allowed to go out. The channel is closed while this is moving.
Oh, right. So what do we do?
Sorry, stay in this area.
Yeah, all right.
Main channel.
Okay.
What's like, we do 30 minutes yet.
30 minutes.
If you listen on channel 11,
All right.
you'll call up on channel 11.
All right. Thank you. No to co, zadukujmy. Tak?
This is what happens when you try and leave Portsmouth Harbour when one of the world's biggest aircraft carriers are coming in. You go back into the marina and tie up and wait for a while.
I'm ready. Yeah, we're fine.
There was information about the channel closing on VHF 11. That's why it's important to know which radio channel to use locally.
Dan. Zostaniemy sobie tutaj przez chwilę.
Yeah.
We can go.
Yep. So what happened there? The Queen Elizabeth II was coming in, so the channel was closed. We were a bit late after departing. So if we'd gone on time, we would have cleared it. We had to stay in the marina, come around the pontoon, just tie up on a midship's line. And we've just radioed QHN, which is Portsmouth Harbour Control, to get permission to depart. Have that permission, so we're going to the Humble. And after all that excitement, we are finally sailing, engine off.
Sailing!
We're sailing towards Humble. Maybe we'll get there for Wednesday.
In a day or two.
Next Wednesday.
What's the speed?
Speed is 37 knots.
side, yeah? Yep. Bit better.
Okay.
How is the sailing, Anthony?
Perfect.
It's really nice. It
11.
shows 11.
So yeah, around 12 full sails she goes pretty nicely.
And we don't know what speed we do.
Well, of course we do.
4 knots, 4.5, even 5.
The conditions are changeable, there's not much wind. That's why every extra bit of knot that Spellbound can give makes the crew and skipper happy. Even if we are not going exactly in the direction we want to go. It's close enough.
It's really nice sailing
Good
like
job
that.
we'll do it later.
Yeah, there is always something,
Just
you
because
know.
somebody wants to put their bloody great aircraft carrier in the way, that's not our problem.
We are approaching Southampton water. This is what it looks like on the map. We'll soon be making the turn into the River Humble. Here's the radio channel for Southampton Port Control is 12. After the Portsmouth experience, we'll definitely be monitoring that. We are going past the South Cardinal Mark and then the east one, and it's then just 2.5 miles to Universal Marina. It might take a while though, as the tide has turned. You can see by looking at the water around the Cardinal Mark how strong the current is. And here too, the tide, as British sailors know, is king. Low water, the land that's out of sight now will uncover, extending the shore. Thankfully, it's all well marked, so we can navigate safely as long as we can stay in the channel.
Płyniemy bardzo powoli.
Płyniemy bardzo powoli.
It's all because we departed later than expected. The tide, of course, didn't wait for us, but that's life. You can't always have the tide with you. Slowly but surely, spellbounds get closer to the marina. Anthony prepares the bow mooring line, and Monica calls the marina.
Universal Marina, Universal Marina. This is Spellbound, Spellbound, over.
Spellbound, this is Universal Marina. Go ahead, over.
Universal Marina, this is Spellbound. Could you give me berthing instructions, please? Over.
Spellbound, this is Universal Marina. Yep, so we've booked you in for D15, that is Delta 15. If you come bows in, that will be portside 2, over.
Universal Marina, this is Spellbound. I understood. Delta 15. If we go bow in, this is port side. Over.
Spellbound, this is Universal Marina, all correct, over.
Universal Marina, this is Spellbound. Thank you very much. Spellbound out.
Almost there and already dreaming of a hot coffee in the warm salon, not to mention shore power electricity for the cabin heating. Docking isn't as easy as it looks for, because of the strong current. Even using the engine to brake has its limits. It only stops the boat moving through the water, not the water moving the boat. Our friend Richard, who has his own boat at the marina, was here to help us and ensure everything went smoothly. Thank you, Richard. We will stay at the Universal Marina for 2 days. Many thanks to Monica, Marcin and of course Spellbound for the journey. Until next time, bye!